Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is gonna be a tutorial about Google Sheet application on your mobile phone. And in this video I would like to show to you the way how to change the theme of your Google Sheet application on your mobile phone. So the device that I use now is iPhone XR, and the things that we need to do now is just go open the Google Sheet application. And whenever you already open it, you just need to go click in these three straight lines and just go scrolling down until you find a settings. You just need to go click it, and you just need to go click the theme. In this theme, you just need to choose what theme that you want to apply into your Google Sheet application. If you prefer dark, you just need to go click dark, but then if you prefer light, you just need to go click light. And whenever you're done, you just need to go back, and here you go. So you can change the theme whenever you already poured with this light theme into the dark theme. So that's the way how to change the theme on a Google Sheet application. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.